What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video. We're replacing the battery on this NV Miata. The Bosch battery that it came with was from 2019 and it finally died today. This one is the Superstart Platinum AGM from O'Reilly. Like 250 bucks for this one. So the battery of the Miata is on the rear right quarter panel. In the trunk, it's got the positive and the negative, and then it's also got like the two vent holes for the battery. Connect those guys right there. Positive and negative. Negative. And this is a 10mm socket. So we're gonna make it straight. Got a Craftsman ratcheting wrench, but I'm not going to use the ratcheting part of it. Not too tight, but tight enough so that it's not moving around. Let's see what we could do here. That's good right there. And then the important part of this is this battery clamp right here. Make sure you got it so that it holds your battery really tight, because if your battery is going to move around, the positive is gonna spark. So pretty much got this holder right here. It's gonna be a 12mm bolt right here, and it's just gonna go down, and then you're gonna line it up to this hole right here. I got my DeWalt 12-volt impact to just hold it in place. And that's what the installed battery looks like. About 3 minutes to install, and thanks for watching.